With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If from an external point B of a circle with the center O, two tangents BC and BD are drawn such that the angle DBC equal to 120 degree, then prove that BC plus BD equal to BO, and that is BO equal to 2BC. So first of all, we draw the figure according to the given data. We have a circle. Let's suppose center of this particular circle is O, and we have also given that is a B is any external point. Let's suppose this point is B, and we have to draw the two tangents from point B, that is BC and BD. So we draw the two tangents BC and BD. So let's suppose this point is C and this point is D. So we have a BC and BC. BC and BD are two tangents of a circle from an external point B. So here we will do some construction, that is the construction is meet B2O and C2O and D2O, point B2O and C2O, and we have also meet D2O point. So in the given figure we can see that is OC and OD are a radius of a circle, and we have also know the property of the circle, that is if we draw any tangent of a circle from any external points, so the length of the tangent will be equal. The property we will write down, that is tangents from external point are equal in length. So here we can say that is BC is equal to BD. So if we talk about the triangle CBO and triangle OBD, and you can see in the given both triangle, that is BC equal to BD and OC equal to ED, OC equal to OD, that is BC equal to BD, that is a tangents from external point. And we can also say that is OC equal to OD, because this is the radius of a circle, and BO will be common side of both the triangle, so OB equal to OB, this is the common side. So here we can say that is a triangle CBO will be congruent to triangle OBD by the side theorem of congruency. Triangle CBO and triangle OBD are congruent triangle, so the adjacent angle of the congruent triangle will be also equal. So if we talk about the angle CBO, then it will be equal to angle OBD. And in the given question, we have given the value of angle DBC. That is 120 degree. So we put this value, that is angle DBC equal to 120 degree, and we can put as a DBC as angle CBO and plus angle OBD is equal to 120. And here we have already discussed that the angle CBO equal to OBD, so we will put angle CBO plus in place of angle OBD we can write as angle CBO, then it is equal to 120. When we simplify this, then we will get it will be 2 angle CBO is equal to 120 degree. So when we calculate the value of angle CBO is equal to 60 degree. So here the value of angle CBO, it is 60 degree. So here we will discuss the another property of the circle, that is if we draw a tangent to a circle at any point, so the tangent is perpendicular to the radius at a point of contact. So we can say this angle will be 90 degree. Angle BCO equal to 90 degree because tangent of a circle is perpendicular to its radius at a point of contact. So angle BCO is 90 degree. So if this the given triangle OCB is a right angle at a point C, so if we find the cos 60, so cos 60 will be equal to base, that is BC, upon hypotenuse, that is BO. So when we write, then it will be cos 60, it will be equal to base, that is BC, and hypotenuse, that is BO. So if we put the value of cos 60, that is 1 by 2, then it will be equal to BC upon BO. And here we can also write it as a BO is equal to 2BC. So we have to prove this. And another type, we can also write it as a BO equal to, we can write a 2BC as a BC plus BC. And we have already discussed, that is the BC equal to, we can write a BC in place of BC, we can write a BD. So when we will write, then BO equal to BC, and in place of BC we can write a BD. So we have to also prove this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.